No.
You tired?
Definitely your son.
You want this one? Sneak it up on you. Let's sneak it up on you.
I love you.
Over here.
Don't talk to me like that.
You are not a good time. Fun together. Fun together. One time.
Let him out. Don't push, Brayden. They're fighting. No fighting. No fighting.
Look at Mama.
They got mommy. Look at they tickle mommy.
Get Nina's feet.
Tickle her feet,
Brayden doesn't
Sumner.
like it.
No, Brayden doesn't like
Tickle
it.
me, tickle mommy's feet.
I'm okay.
It's okay, Brayden.
He don't like that.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
do that.
Protected with this knee.
Brayden don't like it.
You see his eyes.
Yeah, he knows I'm recording him.
Carly didn't want to miss the excitement. She brought her food in
See
here.
that?
Always brings her food in here.
Okay.
Do you want a ball too?
Brian, is there a light over here?
You're welcome.
Is there a way to put a light over here?
I see it.
Okay, I want to see it. Okay, mommy's doing it. Okay. Now let me record it. 1. You gonna do it? 1, 2, 3. All right. Do it again. Do it again. Do it. 1. None of it's gotta get the ball. 1, 2, 3.
Nobody can hold that thing.
Oop, too much.
She's not with the dad anymore, and the mom works.
Here's the other one. Right there. Okay, do it.
Doesn't party or anything.
Whoa!
Not that time.
No, he threw the ball and it hit it. It bounced off the
They're
wall.
not supposed to throw the ball.
Yeah.
And that's my grandma's code.
Oh boy.
Go in there.
Sumner, no.
Everything on that table belongs to my grandma.
Come in here.
Okay, I got it. 1, 2, 3. 4. He says 4.
They keep going. They go to 10.
1, 2. Good job, Brayden.
Sir, no, sir.
You did it again.
You shoot it.
All right.
Get down. No, get down. That's what I see. Sumner needs to get down.
Too hard. All right.
Fix it.
Now how are we going to play? Put it up. Here, Mima fix it. Get off that table. Didn't you just get in trouble?
Get down. Hey.
All right.
Next time you get on there, look at me. If you get on there again, I'm going to pop you. Yeah, do not get on the table. Say yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am. Okay.
Good job. Too hard.
See ya.
What did he just say? Gucci?
Holla.
Too hard.
Brandon, say holla.
I think Brayden needs a bigger hoop like the one in my backyard.
Yeah.
See, I knew the kids grow too fast. That's why you have to get the bigger hoop. The one in the backyard, it was too tall for them. Now they can do it.
George III, Henry VIII, and Napoleon. And he was short and crazy just like you. You'll get the power, enjoy it way too much.
That was close.
Get off the table. You better get off that table. Mommy's gonna pop you.